Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever poured your heart and soul into customizing your WordPress site, it's only to see all your hard work vanish after a theme update, then this video is for you. It's a frustrating experience, and trust me, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful way to prevent this from ever happening again? Today we're diving deep into one of the most essential skills for any serious WordPress user: mastering child themes. This isn't just about avoiding headaches. It's about unlocking the true potential of your website, making it faster, more secure, and infinitely customizable. So grab a coffee and let's get started on transforming the way you manage your WordPress site forever. First things first, what exactly is a WordPress child theme? Think of it like this. Your main theme, the one you downloaded or purchased, is the parent. It has all the core files, the foundation, the DNA of your site's design and functionality. A child theme is a separate, smaller theme that inherits all of that DNA from its parent. But here's the magic. Any changes you make in the child theme will override the parent theme settings. Why is this a game changer? Because when the parent theme gets an update for new features, security patches, or bug fixes, you can update it without a second thought. All of your custom code, your styling tweaks, and your unique functions are safe and sound in the child themes folder, completely untouched by the update process. This simple concept is the bedrock of professional WordPress development. It separates the amateurs from the pros and ensures your site is both beautiful and maintainable in the long run. Now let's get our hands dirty and actually create a child theme. It's surprisingly easy, and you only need to do it once per site. First, you'll need access to your WordPress files, either through your hosting provider's file manager or an FTP client like FileZilla. Navigate to your WP Content Themes directory. This is where all your installed themes live. Inside this folder, you're going to create a new folder. It's best practice to name it after your parent theme with child appended. So, if you're using the 2024 theme, you name your new folder 2024 Child. Inside this new folder, you need to create just one essential file to start: style.css. This isn't just any style sheet, it's the heart of your child theme. Open a plain text editor and add a special comment block at the very top. This header tells WordPress everything it needs to know. You'll need a theme name, which can be 2024 Child, and most importantly, a line that says template, followed by the exact folder name of the parent theme. In our example, it would be template 2024. This is the crucial link that tells WordPress which parent theme to inherit from. You can also add other details like your name as the author, a version number, and a description. Save this file, and that's the absolute bare minimum. However, there's one more crucial step. Your child's theme now exists, but it doesn't have any of the parent theme's styling yet. We need to tell it to load the parent style.css file. The old method was to use an @import rule in your child theme's style.css, but that's no longer the best practice as it can slow down your site. Modern, correct way is to use a function. Inside your child theme folder, create another file named functions.php. Don't worry, the code is simple. Inside this file, you'll add a small PHP snippet that enqueues the parent theme's style sheet. This essentially tells WordPress to load the parent styles first, and then load your child theme styles. This way, any CSS you add to your child style, CSS will naturally override the parent's rules. I'll put the exact code snippet in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it. Once you've saved both style.css and functions.php in your child theme folder, head to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance Greater Than Themes, and you should see your brand new child theme. Activate it, and you're officially running on a child theme. Your site will look exactly the same, but now you have a safe sandbox for all your future customizations. So you've set up your child theme. What's next? This is where the real power comes into play. Let's start with styling. Any CSS you add to your child theme style CSS file will override the parent theme. Want to change the color of your links? Increase the font size of your headings? Add a cool hover effect to your buttons? Just use your browser's inspect tool to find the right CSS selectors and add your new rules to the child theme style sheet. Because it loads after the parent styles, your rules will always take precedence. This is infinitely better than using the additional CSS box in the WordPress customizer. Because your code is organized in a file, it's easy to back up, and it's not stored in the database. Keeps your site cleaner and faster. This means you can make significant visual changes, completely rebranding a theme to match your unique style, all without ever touching a single line of the parent theme's code. But child themes are for more than just CSS. What if you need to add a new function to your site? For example, maybe you want to add your Google Analytics tracking code, create a custom shortcode, or change the length of the default post excerpts. This is where your child themes functions PHP file comes in. Any PHP code you add to this file will be loaded right alongside the parent themes functions. This is the perfect place to put all those little code snippets you find in tutorials online. Instead of editing the parent themes functions.php file, which is a huge no-no, you add them to your child's functions.php. This keeps your custom functionality modular and, most importantly, safe from updates. Over time, this file becomes a powerful toolkit of custom features, tailored specifically for your site, all neatly organized in one place. Now let's talk about something even more advanced: modifying the actual structure of your themes pages. WordPress themes are built with template files, PHP files, like header.php, footer.php, single.php for single posts, and archive.php for category pages. What if you want to change the layout of your blog post or add a custom banner to your header? With a child theme, you can. All you have to do is find the template file you want to change in the parent themes folder. Then copy that exact file, don't move it. Copy it into your child themes folder, keeping the same file name and folder structure if it's in a subdirectory. Now, you can open that copied file in your child theme and edit it however you like. WordPress is smart. When it goes to render a page, it will check your child themes folder for a template file first. If it finds one, it will use that instead of the one in the parent theme. This gives you granular control over the HTML structure of your site, allowing for deep customizations that go way beyond what CSS alone can achieve, all while maintaining that crucial separation from the parent theme. Beyond the immediate benefits of safe updates, using child themes can seriously streamline your development workflow, especially if you manage multiple websites. Think about it. Once you've created a child theme with a set of custom styles and functions you love, you can reuse it as a starting point for new projects. You can build a starter child theme that includes your favorite Google fonts, your standard set of CSS resets, your go-to PHP functions for SEO or security, and even your preferred template modifications. This creates a reusable, efficient structure. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you begin with a foundation that's already 80% of the way there. This not only saves an incredible amount of time, but also ensures consistency and quality across all of your sites. It's like having your own custom-built toolkit ready to deploy at a moment's notice. Let's touch on a crucial aspect for any website: search engine optimization, or SEO. A child theme can be a powerful ally in your SEO efforts. How? It gives you a clean, update-proof place to add important customizations. For instance, you can use your child themes functions.php file to modify how your title tags are generated, or to add custom meta tags for social media sharing, like open graph tags for Facebook or Twitter cards. You can also integrate tracking scripts, like Google Analytics or a heat map service, directly into your theme's template files, like header.php or footer.php, via your child theme. This is often more reliable and lightweight than using a dozen different plugins for every little thing. By placing these customizations in your child theme, you ensure they persist through any parent theme updates and are part of your site's core structure, giving you fine-tuned control over your on-page SEO factors. Ultimately, a well-crafted child theme is the key to ensuring both seamless functionality and a beautiful, consistent aesthetic for your website. It's the professional standard for a reason. It bridges the gap between a pre-made theme and a fully custom-built site. You get the stability, security, and features of a professionally developed parent theme, while also having the complete freedom to modify, tweak, and extend it to meet your exact needs. This approach ensures that as your website grows and evolves, its foundation remains strong and easy to manage. Your design stays consistent, your custom features keep working, and you never have to fear the update available notification again. It's about building a better, more resilient, and more professional website from the ground up. So let's recap. By using a child theme, you protect your hard work from being overwritten by updates. You create a safe and organized space for all your custom CSS and PHP functions. You gain the ability to modify your theme's core template files without risk. And you establish a professional, efficient workflow that will save you countless hours in the long run. If you're serious about your WordPress website, making the switch to a child theme isn't just a good idea, it's essential. It's a small investment of time up front that will pay massive dividends in peace of mind, flexibility, and control over your digital presence. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has demystified child themes and shown you just how powerful they can be. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more WordPress tips and tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks again. See you in the next video.